Okay, this is post-apocalyptic survival, and I have a question about the Grim Workshop subscription. When they put in um, signature cards, say like the Jamie Boulay card or what have you, you know, do they get permission from the person whose signature card it is to put it into the subscription, or does Grim Workshop actually own the rights to the card and they just put it into the subscription? I've always wondered that. Uh, so yeah, I I think they allow the person with the signature card to sell the signature card on their own. I believe they do. If I'm not mistaken. I don't know. So yeah, that's my question. Anyway, then post-apocalyptic survival. Hope you survive in the wasteland. Peace.